walking alone, the streets are empty.
Hey guys, welcome to the mall. We're here with Brandon today.
Hey, yeah, we're in the mall today.
Yeah.
We're going to take a look at some trains.
Yeah. Oh, that's Percy.
Oh, they got Percy on the rail.
Oh my gosh, Thomas and Percy.
Yeah. Last time I was here, Percy wasn't working.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, 'cause look. Wow,
That's
going pretty fast.
it is.
Anyway, guys. Hey, yeah, guys, check this out.
The mountain.
Check out this train display.
Look at the mountain.
Oh, hey, if you guys aren't aware of what that sound is, it's the Amtrak. One of my favorites.
Right way up. Brandon, that's Hannah. What was? Oh, the Amtrak. That's the Amtrak.
And guys, yeah.
Right.
Here's Thomas and Percy. Oh,
Percy. Where's the button?
it's on that side where the little girl is.
Do we have a push it?
Oh, look! Let's go down here. Here comes the Amtrak to the station.
There's Thomas.
And here's the Amtrak stopping at the station. Right, guys, keep listening. Pretty neat, huh, guys?
Oh, that's neat. And we'll be right back.
Oh wow! And look at that! You see that? And then it picks up speed. Wow!
Wow.
That thing! Oh my God! That thing is faster than mine.
We'll be right back. Welcome to the small.
Hey guys, check it out! Here comes the Amtrak coming speeding by.
The Amtrak.
Hey, might as well call it the Downeaster.
I don't know about that. Alright, we'll be right back. Wait,
You see that? They got another train going.
we'll be right back.
Yeah, right there. You did it. That's good. Hey, Snowball. Wow. Man, that thing is fast.
We'll be right back. Ready, go.
Okay, guys, this is going to activate the chairlift right up there.
Do it.
Hey, guys, look, a train's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, and here comes the Amtrak.
The Amtrak is coming.
Hey, hashtag Downeaster.
Yeah.
Hashtag the Downeaster if you've been on the Downeaster before.
Yeah. Like the video.
Please.
Yeah. We have that.
And we'll see you next time.
Wait. Alright, I'm super doing vlogs. I'll see you later. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.